Hi guys, I'm J Marie and welcome back to my channel. Today I have a video all about this fluffy twist out that I did on straightened hair. So stay tuned to see how I achieve the look. So I'm starting off with straightened hair that I straightened a few days ago that's starting to puff up. So I'm just going to make some parts and making sure my parts are pretty detangled, really nice. And I'm using some Shea Moisture's stretch curl pudding, and I'm making sure I put that all over my hair. I love this product because it does not revert my hair back. It really does moisturize my hair really nice. Then you want to part off a small section and then start to create your twist. When doing a flat twist, you pretty much do like a braid, but you want to make sure that you are actually taking that twist all the way through and making sure the hair is nice and smooth. That way you get a really nice defined twist out. And I'm just going to add a little bit more product to my ends, making sure they're nice and smooth. And then I'm just going to take a perm rod and just secure that to make sure that it just doesn't unravel. So again, you're going to take tiny small sections, making sure you're taking that hair all the way through, and take your time. Don't hurry up and grab large pieces. The smaller the little pieces in, the more defined you will have in the twist out. So take your time and do that. And halfway through your twist, you may need to go back and detangle, and making sure you do just comb out and detangle the section. That way you just have a nice smooth transition into the twist. So this is what it looks like once all the twists are placed in, and I did allow this to set for about 2 days. Now I'm ready to take out my twists. I'm starting by just removing all of the rods, and then I'm going to go in with some coconut oil on my fingertips and start to separate the twist. The great thing about flat twists is that you do not have to do a lot of fluffing, because when you separating the hair, it naturally just starts to separate and give you that full look. So I did minimal of fluffing. I did go in with my pick just to remove the parts, but other than that, it turned out really nice. Just gonna lay down my edges with this Cream of Nature Honey Edge Control. And these are my final results, guys. I am loving my hair. It is so pretty and it looks so nice and healthy. Make sure you go check out my video before on how I straighten and trim my ends, but I am loving the fluffiness of this twist out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and make sure you like, comment, and also subscribe so you never miss out on a video, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye. Throw a smile before you lean over and kiss me always.